Hey there, today I'm standing over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois in front of our pre-owned vehicle pick of the week, the 2017 Chevy Traverse LS. Now this vehicle only has 46,208 miles on it, has only had one owner, and has never been reported in any accidents. It does come with a 3.6 liter V6 engine and upgraded 18 by 7.5 inch aluminum wheels. Now when we do get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have a gray cloth interior with a blue lining throughout the entire vehicle. When it comes to the front, we do have our Chevy MyLink radio, push to talk Bluetooth, and even cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.